Hey y'all, if y'all watched my last video and seen that Marquee number 5 and was wondering where it came from, baby, Amazon. I purchased a 4 feet Marquee number and it was like $35 as well. So I do recommend, and even the vendor recommends, send this up a couple of days before your event. So right here, I'm just showing you everything that came with the Marquee number, or everything that's in the box, basically. And to assemble this, you will need a hot glue gun, and you will also need 3 AA batteries for the lights as well. So to assemble this, all you have to do is match the numbers. It was real easy. So because this was my first time putting it together, I've never done this before, I put it together first and then I went and hot glued it. So I tried renting a Marquee number. It was only $35 to rent it, but for them to deliver it, it was gonna be an additional fee. And so I was just like, I'll do this instead. And to assemble everything, it probably took me a good 10 or 15 minutes, and that was the kids bothering me as well. So it's not a tedious or hard process. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? I'm so serious. Let's go. Also, Brielle's birthday party was November 16th, and I still, why am I talking like that? I still have this number 5, y'all, because I plan on reusing it for content purposes. Oh, and for the glue gun, I did use a low temp glue gun as well. So this is actually the Marquee after her birthday party. So it held up good if you decide to hold it up good. Don't be just throwing it anywhere when you get finished with it. And this is it at the birthday party.